Guys, what's up? This is Lloydy Sr. walking around in the blizzard. I'm gonna take you guys for a little walk. They don't call me Lloydy Blizzard Walker for nothing. Yes. Oh man. Wonder if the kids will want to play on their swing sets today. I don't think so. Oh, look at how deep that is. Isn't that this winter kicked in today? Oh, like I had brain frost in my head so bad I accidentally messed up my son's order for his coffee, but he still gets a roll up anyway. But I got him a triple dark roast, because that's what I drink, is dark roast, because the potency is good for him. Oh, strong guys, dark roast. Yeah, from coast to coast, drink dark roast. You get the most out of dark roast. Just don't roast. I would never make a good rapper. Holy, look at that. Oh, it's almost tall as me. Wait, let me take a better look at this snowbank. Wow, that is wicked. Wow, I'm gonna friggin' call Unsolved Mysteries and tell them, look at the mystery going on in Nova Scotia. Oh my goodness, I've never seen a bicycle half submerged. Wow, see the tire? That's scary. Well, anyways, guys, welcome to Nova Scotia. Look at that. Oh my god, this is my pathway I walked. I walked all the way around the house for you guys. And now I gotta do a video. I gotta get ready, cleaned up, put my business suit on, and do a good video for a real good company. Oh yes, because I'll take care of Lloydy Sr. Have a great day in the blizzard. Yes!